Malcolm, I mentioned that you had a move to come out of the last block. It's a sale that you've made, and it's the Cybersecurity ETF, the CIBR. Why now? Simply because of the gains that we've seen from many of these stocks that are within that index, that ETF?
It's yes and. So it's up 6 of the last 7 weeks. It just put in a new 52-week high last week, or a new all-time high last week. And that actually scares me a little bit, makes me look under the hood and see what's really driving that. And if you look a little closer, you notice that it's Broadcom that's actually number one, the top holding in that portfolio at like 9%. And then rounding out the top 5, you got Infosys and Cisco. And so it's not necessarily one that I plan to get out of and stay out of, but after they rebalance and reset the holdings, the weighting in those holdings a little bit, we'll be looking to get back into it. But to your point, with us up more than 30% since we got into it last year, with it meant to be a tactical overweight to play that cybersecurity trend, I think it was a good place to take some profits and just wait and let the rebalance happen.
Does this feel a little crowded to you? I mean, how do you view this space?
Yeah, I like what Malcolm's saying. The shifting balance in that ETF doesn't seem right to me. However, I will say that this space is definitely going to be a big one. If you think specifically about AI, and AI drives so much of what we see in technology today, we have very powerful open source artificial general intelligence models, generative intelligence models, like DeepSeek, for instance, that bad people can get a hold of, deploy on their own machines, and then send very personalized phishing attacks out to folks. So I expect that we're going to see an increase in these type of attacks, and therefore cybersecurity is going to be very important. And by the way, this isn't just text; it's moving into voice. So you could have people's voices cloned and then call their family, like our family. We have a code word that if somebody calls and says I'm in trouble, we ask for the code word because if you don't give the code word, you might be an AI voice. And so I don't think most families have that. So I think we're going to see so much more. I think that probably extends beyond just like this traditional cybersecurity companies, but this is going to be a very big issue. So if you can invest in the companies trying to prevent it from happening, I think that's a pretty good idea.
All right.